Good morning, students. Today's session we will continue with question number 23 of chapter section and midpoint formula, exercise number 30. Okay. So find the length of the medians of triangle ABC. So triangle ABC, they are given. Triangle ABC. This is A, this is B, this is C. Medians ABC of triangle, whose vertices they are given, whose vertices A minus 1, 3, B 1 comma minus 1, C they are given 5 comma 1, 5 comma 1. And they are asking us find the length of the median. Suppose AD is the median. AD is the median. This is median means it will be the midpoint of BC. Next, one more median, E. We don't know the coordinate points. One more median, CF. We don't know the midpoint points. So this is G, centroid. Centroid means the intersection point of the three medians of a triangle is called centroid. Correct? Okay, now we have to find out the length of the medians. That means we have to find out the length of AD, we have to find out the length of BE, and we have to find out the length of CF. Before finding the length, we have to find out what are the coordinates of D, E and F. How to find out the coordinates of D, E and F? So first we have to find out the D is the midpoint of what? BC. D is the midpoint of what? BC. D is the midpoint of BC. Therefore, midpoint formula you have to find out. D of x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 is equal to here one I will do. Okay? So this is considered as x1, y1. This is considered as x2, y2 for this question. So 1 plus 5 by 2, comma, minus 1 plus 1 by 2. So 1 plus 5 by 2 minus 1 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 6 by 2, comma, 0 by 2, 2 ones, 2 threes. Correct? So what is the coordinates now? D coordinates 3, comma 0. So coordinates of D are 3, comma 0. Similarly, find out E is the midpoint of AC. So therefore E of x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 is equal to. Now if you consider this, E is the midpoint of AC, so this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. x1 is minus 1 plus x2 is 5 by 2, then 3 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 4 by 2, comma 4 by 2. Correct? Minus 1 plus 1 forward. That is equal to 2, comma 2. So this is the coordinates points 2, comma 2. Similarly, you find out. Okay. F is the midpoint of F is the midpoint of AB. So therefore f of x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, that is equal to, now if we consider AB is x1 y1, this becomes x2 y2, okay, minus 1 plus 1 by 2, comma 3 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 0 by 2, 2 by 2, that is equal to 0, comma 1. So these are the coordinate points. Okay. So what is the coordinate points of F? F is 0, comma 1. So now we got the midpoints of all the three. Correct. So you take down this point. So next I will go for the how to find out the length of AD, length of B, and the length of CF. First I will find out only the length of AD. Remaining two lengths you have to find out. Okay? So do it. First you note down these points. Okay, children. Now I will rub these points. Okay. Now we have to find out, they are asking us to find out the lengths of the medians. So length of the medians. So I will find out length of AD. What is the formula I have to apply? x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. This we learned in the 9th standard distance formula, distance between the two coordinate points. So that is equal to root of x2 means what here? This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. 3 minus of minus 1, this is, that is plus 1 whole square, plus y2 means 0 minus 3 whole square. This is 3 plus 1 whole square is 4 square plus minus 3 whole square. That is nothing but 16 plus 9. That is nothing but 25. That is nothing but 5 units. Can you find out the remaining lengths, children? We can find out the length of B using the same formula. Find out length of B, okay, and find out the length of the median CF. Okay, this is homework for you. Next part, what we have to find out here? Coordinates of the centroid. So we have to find out the coordinates of centroid. So what is the formula? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So that is equal to x1 is what? Minus 1 plus x2 is 1 plus x3 is 5 by 3. Next, y1 is 3 plus y2 is minus 1 plus y3 is 1 by 3. So what happens here? Minus 1 plus 1 cancels, 5 by 3. Comma here, minus 1 plus 1 cancels, 3 ones. So 1, 5 by 3, comma, 1 is the centroid point. Correct? 5 by 3, comma, 1. 3 by 3 is 1. So note on this. So that concludes the question number 23. Note down children. We move on to 24. So, but the 24 sum I am going to give it as homework. Find the coordinates of centroid of triangle PQR whose vertices are P, Q and R. They are given the vertices of the triangle PQR. Using the formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, you can find out. So how I did the previous sum. So therefore it is homework sum. 25th, find the coordinates of the point of intersection of the medians. Find the points of intersection of medians means nothing but a centroid whose vertices are A, B, C. This is the same question they asked to find out the centroid. Therefore, 24 and 25 I will give it as homework. Now 26th sum I will give. So what is given in the 26th sum? In 26th sum they are given G, that is centroid of they are given. G they are given is centroid they are given. Minus 2, comma 1. Two of the vertices are triangle vertices, only two vertices they are given. A, that is 1, comma minus 6 they are given. And B, they are given minus 5, comma 2 they are given. Find the third vertex. They are asking us to find out what is this vertex is equal to question. Correct? They are given centroid. They are given the two vertices of a triangle, and they are asking us to find out the third vertex of a triangle. Understood, children? Okay, we will solve this sum now. So we know the formula for centroid. G of x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Correct? This is the formula. Understood? Now we have to substitute the values. We have to substitute the values in the formula. Okay? We have to substitute the values. So we know already what is centroid. Minus 2, comma 1 they are given the coordinate points is equal to x1 means what? 1 plus x2 means what? Minus 5. Directly connect plus into minus 5 plus x3 we will retest as x only by 3. Next x1 y1 is what? Minus 6 plus y2 is what? 2 plus this is y, we don't know because this is the third vertex. Now simplify. Minus 2 comma 1 is equal to, this is minus 4 plus x by 3 because 1 plus 1 minus 5 is minus 4. This is minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4 plus y by 3. Now equate x coordinates with x coordinates, y coordinates with y coordinates. So therefore this implies minus 2 is equal to minus 4 plus x by 3. Similarly, I will take all simultaneously. 1 is equal to minus 4 plus y by 3. Now cross multiplication. 3 2 ja minus 6 is equal to minus 4 plus x. So this implies x is equal to minus 6 plus 4, that is minus 2. So therefore x is equal to minus 2. Similarly here, cross multiplication, 3 1 is 3 is equal to minus 4 plus y. Y is equal to 4 plus 3, that is equal to 7. Y is equal to 7. So therefore, what is the coordinates of C? C is xy means that is equal to minus 2, comma 7. So that is the coordinates of C. Understood, children? So note down this sum. Have noted down? Okay. I will move on to the next question. That is 27. We'll move on to the next question, 27. So what it says? 27. What they are given? They are given the three vertices of a triangle and they are saying that the centroid is origin. Centroid is origin. So calculate the values of x, y. Some unknowns are there given in the vertex, isn't it? So they are given A as 6, y and B as 4, minus 4, 4 and C as x, minus 1 and they are saying centroid as origin. And they are asking us to find out what is y value, what is x value. Correct? Okay, we will see now. Suppose centroid is given means we know already what is the formula we have to apply for that, isn't it? So which formula we have to apply? Centroid formula only we have to apply. How to find out the centroid? That is g of x, y is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Correct? This is the formula. So already we know what is the centroid. They are saying that it is 0, 0 because origin. x1 means what? 6. x2 means what? Minus 4. Direct as right. Plus into minus. Minus 4 plus x3 is x by 3. Then y plus 4 minus 1 by 3. Now simplify. 0, 0, 2 plus x by 3, y plus 3 by 3. So next step is we have to equate x coordinates with x coordinates and y with y coordinates. So this implies 2 plus x by 3 is equal to 0. Here this implies y plus 3 by 3 is equal to 0. So if you cross multiply, we can get only 2 plus x is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to minus 2. Here also if you cross multiply, you will get y plus 3 is equal to 0 or y is equal to minus 3. So x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 3. That is the answer for this question 27. So note down this sum. So you observe 28 question, 28. ABC is a triangle, G centroid, A and B, C they are given. Find the values of A and B, same question, correct? Same as 27. And also find out the length of side BC using distance formula. After finding the unknowns, using distance formula, find out the PC length. So therefore, 28th sum is homework sum, sorry. 28th sum is homework. Similarly, if you see 29th also, calculate the ratio in which the line segment a minus 4 comma 2 and b 3 6 is divided by the point p x comma 3. So you have to find out the ratio. You have to find out the ratio. Also find x and the length of AP. So AP length means that is nothing but water. Okay, we will discuss 29. We will discuss now 29. Okay. So I think we have noted down this sum. I will go to 29th. What it says, calculate the ratio in line segment A minus 4 comma 2 and B 3 comma 6 divided by the point P also they are given x comma 3. So I have to find out the ratio, how much x, how much length AP length also you have to find out. Let P of x comma 3 divides AB in the ratio k is to 1. Correct? We don't know the ratio. So section formula, P of x comma y is equal to mx2 plus mx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Substitute the values. So P we know x comma 3 is equal to mx2. M means we know it is k. x2 means this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So x2 means what here? 3 plus n means 1, x1 means minus 4 by m plus 1 means k plus 1, m means k, y2 means 6 plus n means 1, y1 means 2 by k plus 1. If you simplify, x comma 3 is equal to 3k minus 4 by k plus 1, 6k plus 2 by k plus 1. We cannot take x coordinate because two unknowns are there. Therefore, we can equate the y coordinates. Therefore, this implies 3 is equal to 6k plus 2 by k plus 1. Cross multiply 3 into k, 3k plus 3 into 1, 3 is equal to 6k plus 2. So this implies 6k minus 3k, that means 3k I am sending towards RHS, 2 towards LHS. That is 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So 3k is equal to 1, k is equal to 1 by 3. So therefore ratio, this implies k is to 1 is equal to 1 by 3 is to 1, that is 1 is to 3. Correct? Now substitute this value in the x coordinates to get the value of x. So note down first this point. Okay. Now I will substitute in this. X is equal to 3k minus 4 by k plus 1. That is equal to, k means how much? 1 by 3. 3 into 1 by 3 minus 4 by 1 by 3 plus 1. These cancels. What remains in the numerator? Minus 3. Correct? 1 minus 4 minus 3. So what is the LCM here? 3. What remains here? 3 plus 3. Sorry, 1 remains here. Sorry, 1 remains here. Here 3 remains. Correct? So now what happens? Minus 3 into reciprocal arithmetic. 3 by 4. 3 by 4. So minus 3 into 3 by 4. So what happens here? 3 3 are 9. Minus 9 by 4 is the x value. Minus 9 by 4 is the x value. So understood now? X value we got. Now one more question they are asking us to find out. So what is that question? So you have to find out the length of AP. So length of AP. A is how much they are given? A is minus 4 2. Correct? And P we got minus 9 by 4, comma 3. Okay? So can you find out the length of this using the formula root of x2 minus x1 whole square y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is homework for you. You can find out what is the answer you should get. Root 65 by 4 is the answer. This is the answer you have to get. Okay? You solve it in home. So this completes the chapter, section and midpoint formula. In the next session, I will go with the 14th chapter, equation of straight line. In equation of straight line, only you have first part of the chapter, that is 14a. Second, condition for parallelism and perpendicularity has been deleted for this year's syllabus from the board. So only first part of the chapter we will do concentration. Okay, thank you.